I'm gonna go downstairs and everyone's gonna be like, this girl is at it again. Like, hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Angeline, and today I'm going to be doing this whole look from hair to makeup to brows, all that. That is what I'm doing today. I have these hair paint waxes. Where are they at? I have the red one somewhere. Oh, here it is. And I have a purple one, but I didn't use it yet. I've used the red one before, and you can see that in my wild things people have said to me because I'm black video. Like, I had this in my hair, but I was like, let me do something different because there's so many hair paint wax reviews already. So I was like, let me do a split color and then do the brows too and show you guys that it's like versatile. So that is what I did. I did the hair, showed y'all how it happened, what I did, how I feel about it, like texture wise and all that. And then did my brows and showed y'all how I did that. So I'm very like happy with this look. Hope it's translating on camera because I'm looking in the mirror right now and I'm like, it's looking cute. So I hope y'all see it on camera too and I don't look like a clown or something. But I think I look cute, so that's all that matters. If y'all want to see how I did this, stay tuned. All right, so my hair, I just took it out of cornrows. I had like cornrows for my wig, but you know me, I get bored with my hair very easily, so on to the next. I'm gonna put in some blue and see how that looks. So this is how the blue is looking in the container, like this. Hope it's not too frosty on my hair, because I like deeper colors. I'm definitely like a deeper colors type of girl, like my navy blues, like my burgundies. Let's see how this goes. Let me come closer. Okay, this is looking good. I think the more you put, the more like frosty it'll be, but like if you put less, it'll be like kind of like blended, like more like a darker blue because your hair is black, if your hair is black. So I don't know, can y'all see that? Y'all see that? So I'm liking it. It smells like fresh deodorant. This is also low-key moisturizing. Like low-key, because my hair is kind of dry from those cornrows. I definitely can say that this gets messy, but it washes off. It's like water soluble, so like literally one wash and it's gone. Be careful with like your pillowcases and stuff, so like wear your bonnet when you sleep. Like, you should be doing that anyways, but especially when you wear this in your hair, or you have this in your hair. And like, my hair's not long enough to like really touch my clothes, so I don't have to worry about that. But it definitely like gets on my bonnet. Like when I had the red one in, it got onto my bonnet a lot, but like when I washed my bonnet with my laundry, then it was like fine. This is about how much I used for half my head. Like about this much. So it lasts a while. Like you won't be running out of this. It's not like a 1 or 2 time use thing. And like when I did my whole head of the red, I used this much. Like if you all can see. So yeah, this is like enough in here. Okay, I gotta say I definitely prefer the red. The red looks like something I like if I were to ever dye my hair, which I most likely am not unless I shave my head. It's something I would do. Like, I like red hair better than blue hair. Unless the blue hair is like, I dyed my wig, I guess. But like, I think because the tone of this blue is giving Crayola. It's low-key giving Crayola, I don't know. But the red looks more so like it was dyed, like this could be dyed hair, but like the blue looks very like fake. Like it looks like the wax is sitting on top of your hair. So now I have to figure out a style to do because I'm not gonna go around like this. Like this is not my thing. So like, of course a classic style is just like a little puff. I think a puff would be cute. I think I'm gonna do a puff. Oh, also a thing about this hair is like, even when your hands are clean and you don't have water on them, if you touch your hair, you're getting stuff on your hands. Like that's a fact. So if you're the type that touches your hair a lot, be warned now because you will get stuff in your hands like all the time and you just have to like wipe your hands. See, this is what I mean, like if you touch it, it's not like major, like it'll wash off, but for sure. All right, so I'm gonna lay my edges. So I started using Edge Booster, and it's like really good, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't try it earlier. Cause this was doing much better than my touchdown. Like that one, that was failing me, and I kept sticking with it because I bought so many. Anyways, let me lay these edges real quick. All right, edges laid. See, my edges lay so much easier with this edge. Man, this is the truth. But now I'm gonna like add this stuff to my edges and see how that goes. Yo, I'm about to be in this camera. I'm about to be in this camera. Just, yeah.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Black hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man. In the mall with him, I'ma have a ball with him. Somebody call Rihanna, I'ma buy some draws with him. He fucking with the staying cause he in the wild women. Put them legs on his head, now he love tall women. You'll never catch me calling these niggas daddy. I ain't lying by my nut just to make a nigga happy. Lifestyle when a nigga can't fit a magnum. It never happened if the dick wasn't snapping. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit. I don't text quick, cause I ain't thirsty. These bitches mad, they wanna hurt me. About me, let me bet it. I'm an open book, and your man probably read it. Look at my ID, and these hoes feel pathetic. Real bitches back when I check my protector. They call me patty cake, cause the way that ass shake. I'ma make them eat me out while I'm watching anime. Pussy like a wild fox, looking for a hot skate. One night with them, make them lose it like a pump date. Two watches, yeah, call me two-timing. Skin like gold, and my teeth like diamonds. Hot girl chain, Elliot, diamond shining. They tried to knock me off, but a bitch still grind. I'm a hot girl, I do hot shit. Finish income on my outfit.
This is so large, just so big. Look at this. My tiny little hand. My tiny little hand is so big. This is my first time using this. So now I'm gonna be talking because I beat my face a bit. I think my complexion I think my complexion looks good. But now we're gonna do these brows. So I did the pencil. I used the pencil just like as a base cause like my eyebrows are sparse. Like duh. Now I'm gonna go in with the hair paint wax, and I hope that it comes up good. Like it doesn't look too much. Like yeah. So I'm just gonna do red on this eye, blue on this side. Do it like half and half. I was thinking about switching them. Not gonna do that. Actually, before I do that, just to make sure that my brows will take them well, I'm gonna dip into my Sacha Buttercup setting powder again and just dab lightly, just to make sure that they're not oily. Even though this is water soluble, but yeah. Okay. Basically, what I'm doing, dipped it in. Took about like this much, but I'm like wiping it on the back of my hand here. I have makeup all over me. That's how I do my makeup. But tap it on the side here just so I don't have too much going on, and just kind of like fill it in like how I would use my dip brow pomade, and just like flick up small hair-like strokes. If I need more, I'm gonna go back in on my hand first. I'm nervous for this one, but let's pray that it turns out okay. I'm gonna do the same exact thing that I did for the red. Yeah, so that's kind of like, I think it's looking good. I think it would definitely be like a cute look to do the same. Like, bro, I'm gonna be doing these red brows. I'm gonna do a whole red thing again and do red brows, or the purple, because I haven't used the purple yet. And yeah, so now let me just do my eyes and put lashes and then complete the look and see how I feel about it once it's completed. Because right now I'm just like, I'm just like still feeling about it. So we'll see. I keep looking like this because I'm trying to like look at myself in the mirror. So yeah, that's why I keep like turning like this. So yeah. All right, so now I'm trying to figure out what to do with my eyes. So I want to do like a graphic liner. Like, I'm really trying new things today. I'm really trying new things. Okay, y'all, yeah, I really tried it, but this has to go. Some other day we'll do graphic liner without doing so much of color. But for right now, let me just go back to my normal eye. Okay, so that's off. Like, I try, but that's for a different day. But I am going to put this on my eye. This highlight, I feel like it will bring it together. A little bit underneath here. I'm gonna change my lip color. I just feel like it made me look clownish, like doing pink with all these. Like, I'm just gonna do nude because I just don't want to take away from the look by doing too much. So yeah, we're just gonna go with a more nude. So I'm just gonna put this like clear gloss has a pink tint to help blend this out better. So yeah, I like how that gloss like smears it. Oh my god, yes! This is the one. I'm gonna add a little bit of Fenty's Fussy, or which one? I think I'm gonna add this one because it's lighter. All right, so that is, ooh, okay, so this is, I'm so excited, yes. This is it. I'm gonna add more highlight because I just want this highlight to be like one of the centerpieces of this whole like makeup. Oh, I think this is cute. I think this is very cute. So now that this hair is dried, it's not transferring as much. It still transfers a bit, so like it's transferred a bit, but like it's not terrible. One, I think this is very cute. It obviously is not like makeup I'm gonna wear to go out and like be in the public eye. It's not like one of that type. It's like fun makeup. I'm playing with makeup just to practice and see how things go. It's art on my face. So I'm like pretty happy with this. I like the brows. I definitely am feeling this side more because I'm just a burgundy girl. Like, I like burgundy. Like, if this was like darker, like the same vibrancy as this one, I would like it the same, I think, because I do like blue in the hair, but this is just a little brighter for me. So I just want to give like my little review of the hair paint wax itself. One, the hair paint wax, I like it. If you like to play around with hair color, this is good for you, especially if you're not want to commit to the hair color. Like, okay, I like color in my hair, but I don't want to dye my hair. Like me, I really don't see myself ever dyeing my natural hair, but I like color. Like I love color. Like I love color in the hair. Like whenever I get extensions or like braids, I have color in it. Like I like that. But I would never dye my natural hair because I'm so indecisive. So this is perfect. When I finish this and it dried down, like my hair is like kind of crunchy, but not like stiff, but it's still like you can feel it. It's not as soft and bouncy as if I put leave-in conditioner in my hair. So that's to be expected. You're putting wax in your hair. Like, what do you think? I've worn this color in my hair for like a week or so, like maybe even a week and a half. So it lasts a while, but it does fade over time. Like you're wearing your bonnet, it's like rubbed in there, but it's easy to just put it more quickly. But this isn't supposed to be like a longevity thing. It's supposed to be like once you wash your hair, it's done. And I'll be washing my hair soon anyways. Second item, or is it third? I don't know. I think it's good for the eyebrows. Like if you ever wanted to try to do like a dyed eyebrow type of thing, this is very good for the eyebrows. It's staying here. It hasn't moved yet. So yeah, I think this was like a fun little look to do, like half and half. I guess Harley Quinn, but for me it's just I want to do like a split color. And yeah, I'm feeling it because like the highlight's purple. I wish y'all could see. It's like, okay, now y'all can see it. Okay, like it's like this purple, looking very cute. And I feel like it goes with both the blue and the red. So yeah, my shirt kind of matches. That's nice. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this, let me know. This was just more of a fun video, not really a tutorial or a review. It's kind of like both in one. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like, we're on the road to 200 subscribers. I think that's what the YouTubers say. We're on the road to like da-da. Anyways, I'll leave the link to where I got this. I got it from a site called Ponyfly, and they delivered pretty quickly, even in the middle of a pandemic, because I got this like in May, I think. So they delivered pretty quickly. So yeah, happy with this look. I'll be taking pictures, all that. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. You already know the deal. I hope you'll have a great day, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye, y'all.